This is Joe from YoChicago.com. I'm headed to the Clarendon Park neighborhood in Uptown, just west of Montrose Harbor and the 9-hole Maravitz Golf Course, for a walk through one of the apartments at the pet-friendly, full-amenity, new 811 Uptown. I'm in the foyer of Unit 1017, a one-bedroom that faces west. It's a nice white coat closet off to the left as you enter. Plank flooring that extends throughout the unit. It's one of two entries to the bath off to the left, and I'll come back to that. This tiered ceiling that expands the height as you get past the kitchen, adds character to the space. Galley-style kitchen has a stainless steel appliance package that includes a side-by-side refrigerator freezer with ice and water in the freezer door. It's built-in microwave, a 4-burner gas range. Dishwasher, of course, you have contrasting espresso stained cabinetry on one side and a white lacquer look on the other side. There's a deep farm-style sink, pendant lighting, gooseneck faucet with a spray attachment. You have USB outlets in the peninsula and a wide breakfast bar lip. You can easily seat 4, I'd guess. Very appealing kitchen. And you have this great wall of windows looking out to the west. You can see Target, which is nearby, the Wilson Avenue station, short walk to the Uptown Entertainment District, great public transit, fun walking neighborhood just to the south of here with the mansions. Nice sized living dining area. Heading into the bedroom. Again, you're looking out to the west to where the sunset and the Chicago sunsets are a lot of fun if you've never seen one from a high-rise. Bedroom can accommodate any size bedding and additional furniture. It's a walk-through closet and a second entrance to the bath. Full-size front-loading washer-dryer. Some shelving for your laundry items next to it. And then you have a nice-sized bath, the wide vanity, 2 banks of drawers for storage. Designer mirror with a lighting frame, deep soaking tub. Heading back into the living dining kitchen area. 811 Uptown has terrific amenities, great location. Everything here is new and it's the top of the line in Uptown. You really want to have this one on your must-see list when you're looking for a new apartment in Chicago's northern lakefront neighborhoods. Head to the building's website to see floor plans and near real-time rent and availability info.